Home HVAC Services provides expert heating system replacement in West Chester, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners upgrade to energy-efficient systems that improve comfort and lower utility costs. Our experienced technicians handle everything from system selection to seamless installation, ensuring reliable warmth throughout the colder months. If you have any questions, contact our heating system replacement team. Are you looking for a heating system replacement near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services. How do I know if I need to replace my heating system? Common signs include frequent repairs, uneven heating, rising energy bills, and a system that's over 10 to 15 years old. If your unit struggles to keep your home comfortable, it may be time for a replacement. How much does it cost to replace a home heating system? The national average cost of replacing a gas furnace in the United States for a 1,600 to 2,000 square foot home is approximately $7,000. Furnaces, on the other hand, can vary greatly in price based on their size, style, and efficiency, with homeowners often expecting to pay between $3,800 and $10,000 for a new furnace. What is your service area for the West Chester, Pennsylvania service office? Our heating system replacement have served West Chester, Chester Springs, Lionville, Eagleview, Eagle, Exton, Ackworth, Downingtown, Fisherville, Thorndale, Woodward's Corner, Marshallton, Windon, Malvern Hunt, Yellow Springs, Westtown Acres, Westtown Park, Allegiance, Ashwell, Pennsylvania. Where is your West Chester, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 831 West Chester Pike, West Chester, Pennsylvania 19382. Our phone number is 484-573-7551. Visit our website, www.homehvacservices.com.